Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Mercy Tiara's Kit Club, and I am using this gorgeous kit. It is called Brighter Days. Now I have the pattern paper add-on pack as well as the embellishment pack. So you may see doubles of the papers, but that's why. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to work from today. Sorry about that little glare. So this is a sketch challenge, and it's a cool sketch. We've got boxy bits. You can round them out so easily with this and that. I think it'll be super fun. So we've got a photo block and a title journaling block. And what I liked about it is we've got these strips, guys. You can totally use up a ton of scraps on a layout like this. So this is like that little, okay, grab those little bits and make it work kind of stitch. Like for example, I have these two pieces that are cut off from a project I did. They are going to be used on this project because they are perfect for the layering bits. Or these ones, ooh. And either way, we have things that we can use. So the difference I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna switch my two blocks. So my photo block will actually be here. Title block will actually be here because the photo I'm using is of my youngest. This is a car selfie and she is facing this way. So it's going to be awesome for me to have my photo up like this because she's kind of looking down, kind of. I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but she's doing something and she's cute. So we have that. Now, let me move that sketch aside. And I kept looking at these papers. I'm like, what am I vibing for pictures with her? Like, she looks great there, maybe a little washed out. She becomes peachy. But when I put her on this, she pops. So what I could do is I could use this for that photo block, like that big chunky photo blocks. And this is Pink Fresh Studio Spring Vibe Daydreams. This is Pink Fresh Studio Delightful Full Color. So two Pink Fresh collections, different like saturations. This one right here is picking up more of this. Oh, my husband is weed whipping right outside of my window. There he is, doing buzz, buzz, buzz. Okay, keep moving, big boy. Okay, so I think it's still gonna work. And now the boys are losing it. So let me, oh, and I already went ahead and grabbed a scrap, like legit, he's torturing me, of white cardstock to mat around my photo. So that's done. And I may leave it white, I'm not quite sure. I also really love these yellow tones. Like, you guys, where is that pop of lemony yellow paper? I just had it out. I know, you guys are just on bated breath about this. I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna show you and you're just gonna be wowed. I may never find it, so you may never see what I mean. It's this one. Okay, this is such a great, gorgeous pop of yellow as well that, who knows? That might be a thing. Okay, let me get my initial page dealio set up and I'll meet you right back here. I started working on this and a couple of things. I ended up bringing in this Paige Evans paper for my background. I really liked that our sketch had a really big, like chunky mat. So I have that. This paper is way calmer. This paper is now attached down. I need to get a piece of it to put into my other cluster. Now these are just like, this is a piece of this. And I'll use this on both sides, it's fine. And then this piece here, I had previously cut out from, using another layout. So that's awesome. Then I was looking at this paper here, which I adore. I'm gonna cut out, I don't know, 2 to 3 cameras from this because it's so stinking cute. And I am all about the, getting embellishments out of your pattern papers. I think it's such a smart thing to do when manufacturers do this and they give us pretties. So I'm gonna go ahead, not vibing that brown color, but I'm gonna cut this chunk out and I will have some cameras when the time comes. Now, both of our embellishment clusters also have these little blocks in them, but I was thinking I would like to use these Paige Evans labels for that area. To me, that's totally working. So let's see. I like this. Is this light peachy color just going to be swallowed alive by that? I really liked that rainbow. So what I'm going to do to get a little contrast is there's this pink color with that same rainbow. And I do not cut straight lines well, so let's just pretend that I'm doing okay. So we've got that. And yeah, I want like 3 of these pieces in here as well. So what else do we want to bring in? Ooh, this color right here is kind of vibing on my daughter's shirt. She's got some of that tone in her shirt with a floral. Let's do that. And then I'll grab one more, and then what I have to do is get these pieces attached down. So I still need a cluster here, which is gonna be my title cluster. I'm gonna use pieces from here, over here. It's gonna be great. So I have all of these pieces in place, including this title that I grabbed from the foam sticker sheet. Good stuff, fit in there nicely. I did go ahead and I fussy cut out 3 of these super cute plates that are from Simple Stories Flea Market. Oh yes, please. I just thought it was perfect to add something round in there. Now, I started going through the die cut. Oh, and I fussy cut out 3 cute little cameras. And I'm starting to go through these really fantastic looking die cut pieces. If you've been following along, I tend to use die cuts next in my little process. So I'm all about it. I thought that was cute, but I also really wanted to get this word this in here. So I don't know if I rather put this, as it were. Guys, you're getting a little bit of glare. Let me move that. Okay, this totally works really well right here. So I'm going to have a tiny bit of that white show there. The reason why I wanted to pop a little bit of black up is I thought it would be fab to be able to use these black foamies to get my daughter's name on here. So, because the black will come right down. So how fantastic would that be? And I'm thinking maybe towards the end of this cute little label. Guys, I'm shimmying that right up, but I just wanted you to be able to see it. So a little bit of layering, perfect. I think that's working. Okay. Blue is under me and I'm trying so hard not to step on him. He can be a little bit extra. So the I'm all about it is perfect, but I don't want the pink on the pink. So that might not make it. Oh, Lordy. I like this very much, but okay, this is so cute. Totally can work right there. So we are in the tucking phase. I have got the base of the layout done. Totally works with the sketch. You can actually even tell this time that my project is of the sketch. That's not always a thing. And then this reads The Best Days, a record. And I'm thinking just a bit of an angle there because everything is very structured right now. We don't need everything structured. This word beautiful totally works. I will pop it up a bit. And then I have a nice little reason for this gorgeous label-y piece. About right there. I have beautiful, and I have blessed and lovely, and I'm feeling like using them all. So I shall. I am straight up the boss of me in my supplies. So we have that one. Let me get, guys, where are my foamy bits? Okay, here they are. I'm so into these foam strips. I think that they work incredibly well. All right, so we have a nice little stack of words that work, helping to tell our story. And it was fun. I like going ahead and choosing a bunch of die cuts and seeing what I can fit in. Then I'll go to the next thing, and it shall be grand. Oh, here's another piece. So I have a wonky over there. So if I can, somewhere else on the layout, I like to kind of just mimic that, oh, something's not on there quite straight and, you know, aligned. I don't know. I don't know if you guys do the same thing or not. And the next day I scrapbook, I may do it differently. So this cute little piece, it looks like a price tag. It reads, love this. So I liked it. I just got to find where it wants to go. Does it want to go here? I guess so. And then that means I have to find something to go on top of it, which is fine. We can totally do that. So far the I'm All About It is the only thing that struggled and didn't work. So let me get that adhesive off before it really, really sticks. I do have my camera pieces right here. I'm holding off on popping them on because I know they're going to get popped up. Done with my alpha. Let's see if there's anything on this sticker sheet. I already feel like this is super full, but I love that good stuff. Maybe because it's called good stuff. Probably why. Enjoy this moment. Story of today. Ooh, find beauty everywhere. Guys, these are fantastic. Look at this floral. Okay. There is somewhere that needs a floral. And that somewhere is right there. Okay. Oh, we've got another floral. We've got some florals, people. So where does this need to go? Does that need to go right there? Yep. So this is where it's nice because you can start adding your round things and like your things that aren't just super blocky because it makes it more interesting. All right, now on to the next thing. And I still haven't even hit up the embellishment kit, but you know, we all have a process. So love, good life, hope. Do like this good life. I'm thinking that we need some round starting over here too. I have this round plate, so at least I have some. And then in theory, one of these pieces would look really cute stacked up right here. Let's see, like a circle in a circle, because, you know, clearly it would work. Boop, that works. Cute. So that's on the plate. So I have one here, maybe one right here. Maybe one right here to play off the pink. Just, there we go. Like that. I'm gonna save these pieces because those are finishing touches. Now I have the foamy right here. So let's go ahead and see if we can get a couple more foamy bits on. I've got this corally color here. So let's make sure we have some over there. Oh, guys, these florals are just stunning. Oh, I like these too. I like these a lot. There we go. Leaving room so there's no trap space. Awesome. These pieces are just a little bit big. So this is the thing, like when I'm creating and I start with this, I will go off on the chipboard. Love them. I think they are gorgeous. Like this little guy right here and this foofy thing, they are gorgeous. Okay, so we've got some washi. I don't know. Oh, I should be able to get a little washi in. So let me see. I've got some really cool washi. I totally scored. Look, it's like a little scene. So what if I just go ahead and try to shimmy it under? I'm going to have to take something off and, you know, readjust it, but that's okay. So I'm going to tear it there. So it's going to have a little tiny something going on that you're like, what is that? Oh, good. I don't have to take it off. There we go. And then this, I want to have this washi go right under this plate bit. So I have to be a little tiny bit careful. Okay, guys, the Pink Fresh chipboard flare, they actually really go down. Holy moly. There we go. Just wanted to stick it under a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit of that same washi over here. And then, y'all, we are gonna end up being donezo. Let's see, do I have a spot? I want a spot. I feel like I can put it right there. But once again, I have to see if these things, yep, they're allowing. They are allowing this transgression to happen. All right, let me shove that under. We're gonna come back and just finish it up with some enamel dots and my cameras. Okay, guys, let's just pop a couple of these pretties on and we are going to call this done, which I'm excited about. Okay, we've got this beautiful trio of cameras. And the thing that, well, one of the things I like so much about cameras is you can legit pop them anywhere. Pop them anywhere as I struggle to pop one down. So I don't want it on that same level. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Let me put this one over here then. Because I like the idea of Now it makes me want to have like the trio of the camera because I have that. Well, that's going to happen. It looks like we have the 3 there. That makes me happy. Then let's see what we have for enamel dots. Now, I love this color right here. I think it's gorgeous. So let's see. Put one there. Always easiest to use the big boys. Let's see. One there. And then probably making this a bit of a cluster. I guess we have like a bit of a diagonal going, so let's just work with it. Okay, so this has like the big dot. I'll put one right there. This one has the medium dot, so I'll put one right there. And then I can go medium dot here as well. And then what other color, guys? What are we thinking? We're gonna have all little dots. Do we do yellow? This, I didn't really use this color as much. So maybe this light lavendery color, just because it's one of these colors that's just gonna fade in. Like it's not going to alter anything either way. So I think it's fun to just see where it takes us. Oh gosh, guys, ugh. Okay, little struggle bus. I was trying to get that on that seam. Okay guys, here is my finished layout using that fun sketch. I hope you like what I came up with. I thought it was so fun to jump off with a sketch and try to use as many scraps as I could. All right, I'm gonna have still shots to follow, and I'm also going to have the Mercy Tiara website and the Facebook group. So you can come join us, maybe do this sketch as well and show us what you came up with. All right, guys, bye for now. Still shots right there.